Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Roblox Bed Wars, and we're going to be playing Lucky Block. My friend might join us in a minute, but if not, then I guess not. Anyways, we're going in, and I'm currently Farmer Cletus. Let's see. I wish I had a kill effect. Yeah, I'm currently Farmer Cletus. Every time I get a new title or something, I use it because, it's a title. But we're playing Lucky Blocks. Oh, I got a stone sword. I wish you could actually damage people in the lobby. So it looks like I'm on red team. Oh no. That's great. There's no other farmers. Okay. Now, because I'm a farmer... Oh, he's calling. Hello? Okay. Good night. That's fine. Good night. Are you gonna hang up? Yeah. He hung up. So I kind of was expecting that. What did you expect from the guy whose bedtime is like 8 o'clock? But well, that sucks. I might have to play Good Kid because if it usually brings me good luck playing that song. Okay. Ooh, team generator. That's good, but what's better is if they got tier. If they got the diamond generator. Because at least they got diamonds. The tier generator, you don't get diamonds. And from now on, we're gonna be needing our base. Too much. So, I'm gonna set up a little camp over here. Ah, blue! What the flip? Okay, I'm gonna play again. And in the meanwhile, let's search up Percy Jackson, good kid. YouTube. Oh my god, like a million YouTube pages opened. Okay, this one will work. If you finally want to see my... Oh, I was hoping that wasn't there. I just wanna be a good kid, a good kid. I'm a good kid, just had a bad run, blah blah. All I need is one last chance. That's cool. I don't sponsor the ad though. I'm just waiting for it to like a pool. Okay, there we go. Yeah, and then if you hear me singing along, it's because I'm stupid and I like to sing along. The same old song, don't give up, be strong. Keep my chin up, but it ends up with pack your bags, pussy. Into anyone. Take my side, I'll ever take from. Guess I'm good for nothing at all. Plus, your dad, the only manly that really mattered. Well, she vanished into the air. Now I finally find a haven, someplace safe where I can stay. Just pack your bags, Percy. Now go away. Okay, I'm gonna leave that right there. I don't want it to get killed or anything. That's a good one. Someone should put up bed protection. Can't believe my teammates don't really care about the bed. I mean, like, it's our only source of our help. There's lots of teammates like that, though. So I don't know what I expected. With pack your bags, Percy, no we blame. And I'm trying to do anything. I never meant to hurt anyone. I swear, though. Good kid, a good kid. Song. I take my side. All I ever do is take fall. I swear that I'm a good kid. Yes. Don't for nothing at all. anyone. That's a good one. Take my side. Never does take the fall. Good kid. Good for nothing at all. You ever choose me like the bird? Would you like to come on stage? She's taking. Where I belong. Sorry that I went silent, but I'm just really in focus because my plan is to start a farm. Anything, I never meant to hurt anyone. That's a good one. All I ever does take. Hoping it gets me. No friends and no hoping no more. Sneaking away.